Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily who loved to play in her backyard. She loved to chase butterflies and pick flowers. She heard a strange noise coming from the bushes. It sounded like a soft meowing sound. Curious, Lily went closer to the bushes to investigate. She saw a tiny kitten with soft, fluffy fur and big, bright eyes. The kitten looked hungry and scared, so Lily decided to take it home. Lily's parents were delighted to see the little kitten, and they decided to keep it as a pet. They named the kitten, Fluffy, and Lily loved playing with her new friend. As days went by, Fluffy grew bigger and stronger. She loved to play with Lily and followed her everywhere. One day, while playing in the park, Lily and Fluffy saw a group of children playing with a ball. Lily wanted to join them, but Fluffy was too small to play with the ball. So, Lily came up with an idea. She made a tiny ball out of paper and started playing with Fluffy. Fluffy loved playing with the ball, and Lily was thrilled to see her having so much fun. From that day on, Lily and Fluffy played with the ball every day. They even taught their other animal friends to play with the ball too. One day, while playing with the ball, Lily and Fluffy saw a little bird with a broken wing. The bird looked sad and helpless, and Lily knew she had to do something to help it. She picked up the bird gently and brought it home. She and her parents bandaged the bird's wing and gave it some food and water. Lily named the bird, Tweety, and soon, Tweety was as happy and playful as Fluffy. Lily, Fluffy, and Tweety became the best of friends. They played together, ate together, and even slept together. They were inseparable. One day, Lily and her friends went to the park to play with the ball. They saw a group of children who looked sad and lonely. They didn't have any friends to play with. Lily knew how it felt to be alone, so she went up to them and invited them to play. The children were hesitant at first, but Lily's kindness soon won them over. They played together for hours, and Lily, Fluffy, and Tweety made some new friends. From that day on, Lily and her friends played with the other children every day. Lily learned that kindness and friendship can bring happiness to everyone. And from that day on, she made it her mission to spread happiness and kindness wherever she went. The end.